Seems like everybody has it all for me. Don't expect a call out or reply from me. I don't really care about your honesty. Voices in my head, I need the company. Seems like everybody has it all for me. Don't expect a call out or reply from me. I don't really care about your honesty. Voices in my head, I need the company. Hold on to that heartbreak. 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 Seems like everybody has it all for me. Every time we speak, you acting differently. Maybe I can be more than a place to sleep. Lately I've been wondering what's wrong with me. Now you fucked, guess you never meant to be this dumb. Got a gun, now the blood is dripping from your nose. And you realize that you're all alone. Got too high and now you're lost your phone. Oh, we're looking so good, if it's such a problem. Still another cigarette, I'm guessing that you won't learn. Having too much fun now, don't know how to slow down. You could find your way around my room with all the lights out. It's only fair to want some more. It's only fair. Seems like everybody has it all for me. Don't expect a call out or reply from me. I don't really care about your honesty. Voices in my head, I need the company. Seems like everybody.
Oke, kita sudah sampai di Blang Pulau. Blang Pulau ya? Tambah kawan satu lagi. Halo. Saya Muzan Studio. Jangan lupa saya Muzan Studio. Oke, kita sudah sampai di tempat wisata terbaru di kawasan Luk Sumawe. Jadi hari ini kita lagi di Luk Sumawe, jalan-jalan sore bersama Bang Muzani, akun YouTube-nya Muzan Studio. Jangan lupa di like, share, dan subscribe jika video itu bermanfaat untuk kalian. Oke? Enjoy, oke? Enjoy. Kita hari ini liburan bersama mereka. Oke, sekarang sudah mau maghrib, kita pulang, kita sholat, oke? Jika kalian ke Luk Sumawe, jangan lupa kunjungi tempat ini. Pemandangannya bagus, tempatnya oke, dan terjangkau, nggak jauh dari kota Luk Sumawe. Pokoknya view-nya mantap. Tuh, lihat matahari terbenam. Oke, jika kalian suka video ini, jika video ini membantu, tinggalkan subscribe, tinggalkan like and share jika bermanfaat video ini, dan jangan lupa subscribe dan jangan lupa tekan tombol loncengnya, oke?